ओम शांति, ओम शांति। सभी प्यार से मिल करके बोलो ओम शांति। अच्छा, गुड मॉर्निंग। साधन कहते हैं मेरे ऊपर भरोसा नहीं रखो, अपनी साधना अच्छी करते रहो।
Facilities tell us don't rely on me, rely on your own spiritual endeavor. The facilities are there just to be used.
पर साधना तो हमारी
But our spiritual endeavor
गुप्त सहज इतनी अच्छी है,
is so incognito, so easy, so
बाबा भी
good.
हमारी बात सुन लेता है,
And Baba also hears
हम बाबा की बात
what
सुन
is in
लेते
our
हैं।
heart, and we hear what
एक
Baba
दो की
wants.
बात भी सुन लेते हैं,
And we listen to one
समझ
another
जाते
as
हैं।
well. And we understand one another.
इतनी साइलेंस पावर है।
This is what is silence power. This is how much silence power
तो
we have.
मुरली के पहले साइलेंस पावर क्या है?
And so before the Murli, what is silence
स्पष्ट
power?
करती हूँ।
Let me clarify that.
साइलेंस से पावर कैसे आती है?
How is power generated through silence?
क्यों साइलेंस पावर चाहिए?
Because we need
peace
silence
होए।
power. Peace on its own, well,
थोड़े समय के लिए या कभी पीसलेस बन जाए,
and it might just be
silence
for a
power नहीं
temporary period and then we become peaceless again.
कोई
That means that
घड़ी
we
भी
don't have
ऐसी ना आए
silence
जो मैं
power.
पीसलेस बनूं।
There should be no moment should
रहूं।
come when I'm peaceless. I should remain peaceful.
बाबा ज्ञान देता है, ज्ञान का सागर परमात्मा बाप।
Baba, the Supreme Soul,
ब्रह्मा
our
बाबा
Father,
द्वारा
the
विचार
ocean of
सागर
knowledge,
मंथन
gives us
करके
this knowledge. It's
बिल्कुल
churned. He gives it
अनुभव
through
के
Brahma
आधार
Baba,
से
and Brahma Baba churns it, and on the basis of his
सरा सहज बना
experience,
करके हमको
he
समझाता
makes it
है।
very easy and then explains.
ज्ञान सागर बाबा,
Baba, the purifier, the
उसको
ocean
ब्रह्मा
of
बाबा
knowledge,
कैसे सरल रूप में समझाता है,
Brahma Baba makes that
मंथन
which
करके,
Shiv
जो हम
Baba is
समझ
giving
सके।
us, he makes it easy for us by churning
तो
it,
ब्रह्मा
by
बाबा जानता है
sharing his
बुद्धियाँ
experience.
कैसी है यहाँ।
Because Brahma Baba is the one who knows
शिव
what
बाबा तो
intellects
समय
down
अनुसार आ
here
गया,
are like.
पर इसका जो
Shiv
आधार
Baba
लिया
comes
है
according
रथ
to the
का,
time, according to his
रथ भी
time,
अनुभवी है यहाँ का।
and he takes the support of this chariot who's experienced about this
दुनिया
world
क्या
and
है,
this
समझ
plane.
क्या है,
He knows this.
अनुभवी है रथ।
Brahma Baba is experienced and
बाबा
understands
कहते
what
हैं
are
अनुभवी रथ
relationships
लिया
down
है,
here like. What
ज्वान
is
का भी
this
नहीं लिया
world
है,
like?
वृद्धतन लिया है।
Baba didn't take a young body; he took a
मामा
mature,
ज्वान,
older body. Mama was the young one,
17 वर्ष की उम्र में,
17 years
बाबा
old.
60 years
And Baba was 60 years
एज
old.
में, शिव बाबा इसमें आ गया 60 year एज में,
And Shiv Baba came in him at the
मम्मा
age of
70 year
60.
एज में बाबा की बन गई।
And Mama at the age of 17 became Baba's.
ऐसा ज्ञान बाबा ने ब्रह्मा बाबा को, शिव बाबा ने ब्रह्मा मम्मा को एक जल्दी तीर लग गया।
Shiv Baba gave such gyan through Brahma Baba in a way that
ऐसा तीर लगा,
Mama was
मम्मा
shot
को
with an arrow
वो सीन
instantly.
देखने लायक थी।
And that scene, that moment at which she was shot,
मम्मा
it was
के
a
तीर
scene
लगने
worth
की सीन
watching.
देखने लायक थी।
Really, that scene was
क्या
really
मम्मा,
worth watching.
हम तो डरती थी मम्मा से,
I used to be
ऐसी नखरी
scared
इतनी
of Mama because
चलना
she was
फिरना
like
ऐसा, हम भोली भाली क्या पर
a bit kind of snobbish and up in the air.
उसका बोलना चलना
The way she used to walk and
अच्छा बड़ा।
move, it was like kind of very
हम
dignified
तो
and
उसके
very
सामने
royal.
भोली भाली कभी
And
डर
I used to
लगता था,
feel
इस
like
बात
I
की
was just
बात
a
कैसे
simpleton
करेंगे,
in front
पता
of
नहीं क्या
her.
बात करेंगे।
I used to think, well, how can I talk to her? I don't know what kind of things she's going
इतनी
to say.
मीठी
I
बन
might
गई,
not be
इतनी
able to relate to
मीठी,
her.
wonderful, wonderful।
But really, she became so sweet, so
चेंज ऐसी
sweet.
मम्मा में आई।
Transformation came in such a
क्यों
way.
सुनाती हूँ?
And why am
बाबा
I telling
कैसा
you
ज्ञान
this?
पर मीठा 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 करके दे करके हमको
Because
मोहित कर लिया। मम्मा से शुरू हो गया।
Baba has
मोहित
given
करना
us
किसको
knowledge
कहा
in
जाता
such
है,
a way that it
वो मम्मा से शुरू हुआ।
attracted us, made us sweet. And Mama was the first example of how that knowledge
और
worked.
सब कुमार का दादी वगैरह सब वही क्लास स्कूल में पढ़ते थे.
Daddy Kumarka and them
ये
were in
अगर
the
आई
same
ना तो बस
school,
सारा
same
स्कूल आ जाएगा.
class as Mama. And they used to say, if Mama comes in Gyan, the whole school will come in Gyan.
युक्ति से एक ही बारी आई.
And so she came
First
just the
time
once,
में.
the first time.
मम्मा के परिवर्तन को देख.
And seeing Mama's transformation, well,
सबका कान खुल गया.
it's like everyone's
ये
ears
कैसे आई?
were like wide open. How on earth did
तो
she
सारी
come?
स्टोरी नहीं सुनाती, मुरली सुनानी है मुझे.
I won't tell you the whole story
परंतु
because I have to
बाबा ने
tell,
जो
read the Murli
जिस
too.
तरह से हमको देख करके जागृत किया,
But what I'm saying is the way in which Baba
आत्मा को अंधकार
saw
से
us
निकाल करके
and
देखा तुम कौन
awoke
हो,
us.
क्या बनने वाली हो.
He took us out of the darkness, He
सीधा
made
कहा,
us
तुम राधे
aware
हो ना, तुम राधे कृष्ण
and
की बनेगी ना.
awoke us.
बस,
And He
समझ
said to
गई
her,
कृष्ण.
you're Radha, you're going to be Krishna's Radha, aren't you? And she said, wow, yes.
लग गया. इतनी बाबा ऐसी बात सुनाता है जो आत्मा को अंदर से लगता है.
Baba relates things to us in such a way that the
इतने में
soul
change.
inside thinks, awakens really deeply and says, yes,
change
okay,
इतनी
yes.
जो बाबा
And
मुरली
there's
चलावे ना,
transformation.
मम्मा हु बहु word by word.
There was such transformation in Mama that word by
Mama
word she would be able to repeat that.
पीछे हम पढ़ते थे.
We used to
Baba
read
का
it
लिखा हुआ.
afterwards, Baba's writing,
एक
written
word भी
Murli,
नीचे ऊपर नहीं होगा.
and there wouldn't be
mix नहीं
one
होगा, ये नहीं
word that Mama would have missed or Mama would have added.
गीत ऐसे बनाती गाती थी.
And the
बात सब
songs
कुछ
she used to
छिपके छिपके गीत
compose,
बना करके
and she used to do it
बाथरूम में मम्मा
secretly.
गीत गाती थी. हम
She
बैठ के
used,
सुनते थे.
she used to sing in the bathroom, and we used to stand outside and listen.
बाथरूम में आधा घंटा एक घंटा मम्मा क्या कर रही है.
Half an hour, 1 hour in the bathroom, we used to
गीत
think,
गा
what
रही
is she
है.
doing? And she would be singing songs.
बाबा को सारा दिन यही धंधा है मम्मा का.
And this would be Mama's business
गीत
all
मम्मा
day, just
गाए
these
तो बात
songs.
कर.
And when she used to sing, don't even ask.
प्यार में
With so much love.
सब दुनियावी बातें जो है ना सब भूल जाती है.
When we have the experience of love, we
भूलना-
forget the whole world.
दुनिया की बात को भूल जाना जैसे हम वो थे नहीं.
It's as if we
ये
never
मम्मा
ever
मिसाल
even
बनी.
existed in that world. Mama was an
तो
example of
बाबा
that.
क्या चाहता है हमारे से ऐसा
And so,
मिसाल बने.
what does Baba want from us? He wants us to be like that, examples like
ये
that.
बदल गए, ये ऐसा हो गया.
People should say, wow, look at that person's transformation. They
कल तो एक
became
भाई
like
ने
this,
कहा,
they
भाई
changed.
हम 5 को बदल चेंज करेंगे, 5 को लेके आएंगे.
One
और
brother
हमारा
said
अनुभव है
that he
एक
would
ने
bring
10 को इतने में
5
आप
people
समान
like
बनाया.
this, and I've experienced how people can
बिना कोई
make
छपाई
10
के,
people
बिना कोई कहे,
equal to
एक-एक जगह
themselves.
10 को आप समान बनाए, बाबा का ज्ञान देकर लाए.
Give Baba's knowledge in such a way and bring people here, make them equal to
इतना
yourself.
अंदर धारणा में चला जाता है. ऊंची अच्छी चीजें
These high, elevated
पता
things
चल
go
जाता
into
है
our
अमृत विष
dharana
में कितना अंतर है.
so deeply that it
Amrit
becomes very clear what is the
जीवदान देता है.
difference between nectar
विष
and poison.
जीवघात कर देता है.
Poison kills you, but
Negative-
nectar brings life to you.
खराब विचार
Negative,
poison
bad
का काम करते हैं.
thoughts, they work like poison.
ये अमृत का काम करता
But this knowledge is like nectar.
है.
It
उसमें
works
दवा
like
भी है तो दुआ
nectar.
भी है.
It's filled with, it's medicinal and it's filled
तो
with
वो
blessings as
किसको
well.
आएगा जो डीप जाएगा अंदर.
But who will have the
ज्ञान के
experience of
सुनते-
that?
सुनते-
People who go
सुनते-
deep
सुनते
into
अंदर
knowledge.
deep चला
Whilst
गया.
you're listening to the knowledge, it's going inside you, penetrating deep, deep, deep.
व्यर्थ तो नेगेटिव तो गया, व्यर्थ तो गया, साधारण
Negative
ख्याल भी नहीं.
goes, waste
श्रेष्ठ
goes,
विचार कहाँ से
ordinary
अंदर से
thoughts
पैदा
also
होने
go.
लगे हमारे पास.
And then it's as if you don't know from where, but elevated
विचारों में
thoughts,
श्रेष्ठता आ गई.
they arise, are given birth from within you. Your whole way of
कैसे आई?
thinking becomes so high and
तो
elevated,
जैसे ही
and you think, how did it
हमारा
happen?
कुछ दिनों से दिल, दिमाग, मन, बुद्धि,
So we've been hearing for the last few days about heart,
दिल को जो
head.
बात अच्छी लगी ना, दिमाग ठंडा हो गया,
If the heart likes something, then the head becomes cool. Sometimes your head becomes hot, it becomes flustered. And then you understood afterwards that the connection was between the mind and the intellect. The soul in the body, when the heart becomes happy, the head becomes cool.
बुद्धि द्वारा
Through the intellect,
बुद्धि में दिल द्वारा बुद्धि में लगा,
because something enters the heart, goes into the intellect, and then the work starts internally. And then your capacity to imbibe increases if something touches the heart. Your cleanliness comes,
ऐसा पैदा होने लगा,
and thoughts,
किचरा रबिश जो भरा हुआ था,
such thoughts arise, good thoughts arise, that all the rubbish that's inside just gets cleared out. And then truth comes, because God is giving us the true knowledge. We start using it. The intellect started to understand, then it started to use it. And then the human becomes very calm, very peaceful. It's like the intellect becomes from gross to refined. And you don't actually enjoy knowledge when you understand it in a gross level. We think, yeah, it's really nice, and you relate it, and people like it. But when it's refined, then you have this feeling, it's so beautiful. Inside you're enjoying it, and others like it. The intellect, the heart likes it, then the intellect likes it. When the intellect likes it, the heart likes it. And when the intellect likes something, there's a feeling that this is really useful and I mustn't let go of this. And then the intellect won't go anywhere else. And the intellect will have this feeling that everything else is just useless. It's not worth my looking at even. Yesterday I was telling stories about Dadi Kumaraka and Sheel. Baba took a lot of tests of them both. Baba tested Dadi Kumaraka once. He said to her, he said, I'm going to get you a good boy, a match. And he put an ad in the paper, this girl wants to get married, but we need a suitable match. A good, really good match. We need a really decent match. And so all these boys applied. He said he has to be like Ram, he has to be the one who can break the bow.
Queen Elizabeth तुमको कहे तुम्हें तख्ता का ले लो तुम लेंगी मैं क्या करूं?
And Baba used to say to Sheel Dadi, if Queen Elizabeth were to give you her throne, come and take it, would you take it? And she'd say, I don't want that throne. I'm going to get this. Look what I've got. I've got this. I've got my home. I've got a family, in-laws. There's nobody as happy as me. I don't need that. And so with such thoughts, the heart accepted in such a deep way. Baba spoke about Dil Kush, sweet. And Baba said, this is what must offer to Baba in Bhog. Nothing else. Baba doesn't want any other Bhog. He just wants a happy heart. Dil Kush. And I include myself. Today Baba speaking about the double foreigners, and I include myself in that. Double foreigners are the ones who have a lot of understanding. And Baba has made such ones who understand a lot, belong to himself little by little by little. And I have this pride, if you like, that I'm in the middle, the agent in the middle, and I get a commission from both sides. I get commission from all of you because you receive so much. I get commission from Baba because he's so happy. So, and when you are happy, then I'm happy. The soul is very strong, and the heart is very strong.
दिमाग ठीक है,
and the head is good, working okay.
बुढ़ी हो गई अभी समझती नहीं है, इसको समझाया कितना बारी बताया है, नहीं बताती, सुनती है।
People might
तो बहरे हो गए तो सुनती नहीं, हम क्या करेंगे?
People sometimes think that daddy's old, she's her ears don't work properly.
बड़ा प्रेम से मुस्कुराऊं तो सही,
but at least
साइलेंस में जाओ,
I can smile.
कुछ दिल में मन में न रखो,
go into silence, don't keep anything in your mind, in your heart,
कैसे अंदर शक्ति भरता है,
and see how Baba will fill you
कहते
with
बच्ची
power
तुम
in
अच्छा नहीं सुन
silence.
सकती हो,
Baba will say, it's
अच्छा
okay
तुम
if
नहीं
you
बात
can't
अच्छा, तुम
hear.
मुस्कुरा के थोड़ा
At
प्यार
least
से,
smile
हाँ हाँ करते
and
चलो,
say
करते
yes,
चलो,
yes, with a lot of love to whoever and
कोई
whatever.
माने तो
And
अच्छी
if
तरह से
people,
कान में कह दो, नहीं मानते
if
तो अच्छा
people
माइंड तो नहीं करे
listen,
ना,
if people listen to what you have to say, then that's good, no
कोई
problem.
बात नहीं
And if
समझ
they
में
don't
आती
want to
तो
listen,
माइंड
if they
नहीं
don't
करे,
understand, then don't worry
दिल
about
से
it, don't
दूर ना हो
mind,
जा रहे बाबा से,
don't distance them from Baba, don't let them be distanced from
ये
Baba.
फिक्र रहता है कोई बाबा के दिल से दूर ना हो
I do have this concern that nobody should become distant from
कम
Baba's
से कम
heart.
समीप होगा, सामने होगा,
If someone
तो कभी
remains
न कभी कोई
close,
बात ग्रहण
if
करने
they
की शक्ति
remain in
बढ़ेगी,
front of Baba, then actually there will come a
आज नहीं
day
तो कल,
when they will be able to
अपने
imbibe, when
संकल्प
something will
को
touch
सदा,
their heart and
हम
their
संकल्प मेरा ही
capacity
है,
to imbibe will open up. If not today, then tomorrow, but at least keep
अंतर्मुखता
yourself
से
in front.
एकाग्रता की शक्ति को बढ़ा करके
Let me be introvert,
संकल्प को ऐसे
increase
बनाओ,
my power to
जो
concentrate
संकल्प
and make
मेरा
my
नहीं है, पर
thoughts
बाबा ने
very
ऐसा
good.
संकल्प चलाना सिखाया,
Because and
वाह
actually
बाबा
these
वाह,
thoughts are not my thoughts. These are the
मेरा
thoughts that
संकल्प
Baba
है
has
नहीं
taught
कुछ,
me to have.
बाबा ने ये संकल्प
And
बच्चा
this is why
तुम्हारे
we
ये
say, Wa
संकल्प हो,
Baba, Wa Baba. Because Baba teaches us, child,
तो
don't
देखो मैं
think,
तुमको
have this
कैसे
thought,
सिखाता
have
हूँ,
this thought. I'm teaching you, have this thought, think like
बाबा के
this.
पास सब पहुंचता है,
And
और
actually
मेरे
everything
संकल्प चलेंगे तो
reaches
कभी कैसे चलेंगे, कभी कैसे,
Baba. If I were to create my own thoughts, then sometimes they're of
संस्कार
one
बस
variety,
चलेंगे,
sometimes they're for another. They're according to my
खींचेंगे,
sanskars. They
अच्छा
might
सुनो
pull
मुरली,
me. Okay, so now let's
तो
hear the
संकल्प
murli.
को अंदर डीप साइलेंस में जाओ,
But to look at this thing of thoughts,
पीसफुल,
go into deep silence,
फुल
become
होवे,
very
लव
peaceful,
फुल,
full of peace,
नॉलेज
full
फुल,
of love, knowledge full.
नॉलेज फुल का प्रैक्टिकल रूप है
What is
पीसफुल,
the practical form of someone knowledgeful is that they are
Loveful.
peaceful and loveful.
तो लगेगा नॉलेज अंदर जा रही है,
And then
लवफुल में,
you'll get the
बाबा के
feeling
लिए
that the
प्यार है
knowledge
ना,
is going
तो बाबा
inside.
सुना रहा है ना, अच्छा अंदर जा रहा है,
If I have love for Baba, then what Baba's relating, it
डबल
will be going
विदेशी,
inside, going
ब्राह्मण
inside,
बच्चों की
absorbing.
विशेषताएं,
Double foreigners, the
हर एक
specialities
अपने
of
आप को
double
देखे बाबा कितना प्यार
foreigners.
से
This is a
देखता
heading.
है,
Each
और
one, let
जो
each one look
कहता
at the
है
way in which,
हमारी
the loveful way in
आपके
which Baba sees us.
विशेषता को देख करके कहता है,
Because Baba sees our specialities and then speaks. He actually
आज
sees
भाग्य
it.
विधाता,
Today, Bab Dada, the bestower of fortune.
बाप दादा 88 की मुरली है,
This is the Murli from 1988,
फरवरी,
February,
18 साल पहले की,
18 years ago.
और आज देखो मुरली,
And look at it in
आज
context
भाग्य
of today.
विधाता बाप दादा
Today,
अपने
Bab
श्रेष्ठ
Dada, bestower
भाग्यवान
of
बच्चों
fortune,
को देख हर्षित हो रहे हैं,
is pleased seeing his elevated, fortunate children.
हर एक बच्चे का भाग्य, हर एक बच्चे का भाग्य,
The fortune of every child
श्रेष्ठ तो है ही,
is the most elevated of all
लेकिन
anyway.
उनमें नंबरवार
However,
है,
even within that, it is number wise.
आज बाप दादा
Today, Bab
सब
Dada
बच्चों के दिल के उमंग उत्साह के दृढ़ संकल्प सुन रहे थे,
was listening to the determined thoughts of zeal and enthusiasm
भाई
of all
आपको
the
पता
children.
है, हम लोगों ने बाबा से प्रॉमिस किया है,
You know that we've all promised, right? Robin, that is asking,
शिवरात्रि तक
that by Shivratri,
आपको ऐसा बन के दिखाएंगे,
we have to show Baba.
पता है चार्ली,
Become it.
रॉबिन को पता है,
Charlie, does
बाबा
Robin
को
know?
मैंने माइक में उठा के बोला है, बताया,
Did you tell him?
बता देना, तब मैं सुनको ने मिला बहन,
Nirmalaben, tell Tamazin about what we promised.
बाप दादा सब बच्चों के दिल के उमंग उत्साह के दृढ़ संकल्प सुन रहे थे। संकल्प द्वारा, अभी संकल्प द्वारा जो सभी ने रूहरियान की,
the chit chat that each one had, the heart-to-heart conversation that each one had, through their thoughts, as they were creating the thoughts reached to Baba.
अच्छा जयंती, मुझे ट्रेनिंग मिल रही है, देखो।
Today I'm getting training, Jayanti.
शक्ति वाणी के शक्ति से अति सूक्ष्म होने के कारण है।
Because the power of thought is more subtle and more subtle than the power of words, it reaches quicker and works quicker.
रूहरियान की भाषा है ये संकल्प की भाषा।
The language of the heart-to-heart conversation is the language of thoughts.
अपन से करो,
you can have that conversation with yourself, with others.
है संकल्प की भाषा। साइंस वाले आवाज को कैच करते हैं।
Scientists can catch sound.
संकल्प को कैच करने के लिए सूक्ष्म साधन चाहिए।
In order to catch thoughts, you need subtle instruments.
बाप दादा हर एक बच्चे के संकल्प की भाषा।
Bab Dada is always listening to the language of the thoughts of the children.
अर्थात संकल्प कैच करते हैं।
That is, he catches their thoughts.
ऑडियो वीडियो वाले सुन लो, देखो।
Audio video people, you can listen to this. You're making so much effort.
इसके लिए बुद्धि अति सूक्ष्म।
For this you require very subtle, clean and clear intellect.
सूक्ष्म,
subtle, clean and clear
आवश्यक है।
is essential.
तब वही बाप के रूहरियान के रेस्पॉन्स को समझ सकेंगे।
For only then will you be able to understand the response of the heart-to-heart conversation that's coming from Baba.
बाप दादा के पास सभी के संतुष्टता का व सदा खुश रहने के, बाप दादा के पास सभी के संतुष्टता व सदा खुश रहने के, निर्विघ्न रहने के, सदा बाप समान बनने के से संकल्प पहुंच गए।
Bab Dada received
बाप दादा
the thoughts that the children had of being content, of being happy, of being free from obstacles, of being successful. And he is giving congratulations to the children for that. Congratulations because of their determination, because where there is determination, there is success, definitely. These are the signs of being elevated, of being fortunate.
श्रेष्ठ भाग्यवान बनने की निशानी सदा दृढ़ता श्रेष्ठता हो।
Let there always be determination and elevated thoughts. Let your thoughts not even be weak. This is what you call being elevated.
बच्चों की विशाल दिल देख,
seeing the generous hearts of the children. So first Baba saw the thoughts, now listen to what Baba saw in the heart. So seeing the children's generous heart, Baba gives blessings to the children to become constantly generous, and he gives blessings. He gives blessings for the bestower of blessings, gives blessings to the children to constantly become generous in terms of having a generous heart, a broad intellect, and being able to do unlimited service.
अर्थात बेहद की स्मृति स्वरूप,
a generous heart means to be the embodiment of an unlimited consciousness, to be unlimited in every aspect. That means to be generous. When something is unlimited, then nothing limited cannot attract you towards itself.
इसको ही ये तो दिल पसंद जवाब मिल रहे हैं word by word.
These are like answers that the heart is really enjoying.
कर्मातीत फिस्ता जीवन कहा जाता है.
This is known
कोई भी प्रकार की हद आकर्षित न करे.
When nothing attracts you towards itself, this is known as the stage of being equal to the Father. That is karmatit and angelic. The meaning of karmatit, the very meaning of karmatit means to be beyond, that is detached from all types of limited nature, sanskars, because that which is limited is a bondage. And to be in the unlimited means to be free from bondage. And so you will continue to achieve success through this method. So limited means bondage, unlimited means free from bondage. Through this method you will receive success always. Each one of you have had thoughts, whatever thoughts you have had for yourself, they were constantly immortal, unshakable, constant thoughts that cannot break, never break. You have created such thoughts, haven't you? But it's not that those thoughts will survive only as long as you are within the walls of Madhuban. They'll stay with you all the time, won't they? Not just to the boundary of Madhuban. That is asking those who are feeling a bit sleepy to wake up. Sit like that is demonstrating. Everybody sit up like that. You've all got chairs, but maybe we should have everybody sitting on the floor. That's why you are sitting relaxed with your head back. That's not the way to listen to the Mulli. With your head back. Be careful, my brothers and sisters. They say that the atmosphere in the history hall is very powerful. It's because we always sat like this, totally alert and straight up. If you sit like that, straight up, alert, then the power will come. Things will touch your heart. You might say, well, why am I being distracted by this? But what can I do? Baba used to watch too. Baba didn't like it. That if someone was listening to the Murli, and then Baba used to say, I'm not giving the Murli for those who are in front of me. It's as if they're there, but they're not there. I'm giving the Murli for those who are not present in front. जो स्वयं से संकल्प किया ना, अमर है, So the thoughts that you had, each one of you had for yourself, those thoughts, let them be constantly, you want those thoughts to be constantly immortal, unshakable and constant, not ones that will ever break. They're going to stay with you at all times, aren't they? Not going to finish when you cross the line of Madhuban. You've heard many murlis up till now, but now you have to do what you've been hearing about.
अभी करना है क्या?
What is it that we have to do?
साकार सृष्टि में संकल्प, बोल और कर्म तीनों का महत्व है.
In this corporeal world, there is
तीनों में ही महानता है.
Importance given to thoughts, words, and deeds.
कहा जाता है. वो कर्मातीत, ये संपन्न स्टेज.
To have greatness in all three is known as the complete stage, different from the karmatit stage. And it is absolutely necessary to claim full marks in all three in the corporeal world. Sometimes someone might think that well, my thoughts are really elevated, but there's a discrepancy between their thoughts and their words and actions. Is anyone going to believe them? Because actually the reflection of your thoughts are your words and your actions. The physical reflection or manifestation are your thoughts and are your words and actions. A person who has elevated thoughts, their words and deeds will also be elevated. And when you are elevated in all three, then you become number one. Seeing the double foreign children, Bab Dada was pleased seeing their specialities. What was that particular speciality? Just as through Brahma Baba's elevated thoughts, through the invocation of his elevated thoughts, they attained their divine birth.
श्रेष्ठ संकल्प द्वारा या श्रेष्ठ संकल्प के आवाहन द्वारा दिव्य जन्म प्राप्त किया है. ऐसे ही श्रेष्ठ संकल्प की विशेष रचना होने के कारण अपने संकल्पों को श्रेष्ठ बनाने की विशेष अटेंशन में रहते हैं.
You are the ones who stay, who have maintained the attention of, who keep the attention of maintaining elevated thoughts. This is the speciality. And because you pay that attention on your thoughts, when any type of subtle battle, subtle attack from Maya comes, you recognize it very quickly. Because you have that attention to your thoughts, you quickly recognize the subtle attacks of Maya.
विजयी बनने के लिए पुरुषार्थ कर जल्दी से ही खत्म करने का प्रयत्न करते हैं.
Make effort and find a way to quickly overcome that and become victorious.
माया को समझ भी जाते हैं, पर उसको जल्दी खत्म करने के लिए भी प्रयत्न करते हैं.
So you not only do you recognize, but you also try very quickly to transform and become victorious.
शुद्ध बनाने का, संकल्प शक्ति को सदा शुद्ध बनाने का अटेंशन रहता है.
You constantly pay good attention to cleanse the power of thought, and you have good experience at checking yourself. And because of that subtle checking, you realize even your small mistake.
निमित्त बने हुए बच्चों के आगे रखने में साफ दिल है.
And you have a clean heart when it comes to putting those mistakes in front of the Father, in front of the instrument souls. And because of that, you don't accumulate rubbish in your intellect. The majority of you with a clean heart don't hesitate to speak about whatever it is that's inside. where there is cleanliness,
दैवी गुण सहज ही धारण हो जाते हैं.
then it is very easy to imbibe divine virtues. Baba's words are amazing. Where there is cleanliness, then it is easy to imbibe divine virtues.
दिव्य गुणों की धारणा अर्थात
the inculcation of divine virtues means the method to imbibe divine virtues, to invoke divine virtues actually is for there to be cleanliness. Just as in bhakti, when they invoke Lakshmi or another god or goddess, the method they show is for there to be a lot of cleanliness. There'll be physical cleanliness, then they'll invoke and call out to that deity. And so this elevated nature of cleanliness naturally or automatically invokes the divine nature. The majority of double foreigners have this speciality, and this is why, with a fast speed,
golden chance,
according to the drama, they have this golden chance of moving forward. And this is what you call being last so fast. And so, according to the drama, they have received this speciality of being able to move fast. Always keep this speciality in your awareness and take benefit from it. A thought comes, clarify it, and it's gone. This is what it means to turn a mountain into a mustard seed. To make it like cotton wool. From mustard seed into cotton even, because a cotton wool can fly in so quickly. So you clarified it, put it in front of the Father, and then with the method of cleanliness became an angel. This is what you call to fly with in the speed of love so fast. According to the drama, you've received this speciality, and Bap Dada also sees that some children do check and they change themselves. They check and change because they have that aim that we must definitely become victorious. The majority have this number one aim. And now another speciality. It's amazing how Baba knows us so well. As soon as we take birth, to Baba that is, and on receiving the inheritance, there is instantly that enthusiasm for service, and because of engaging ourselves in service, the instant fruit is happiness. The instant fruit of service is happiness, and we receive that. But we also receive the special power that comes from doing service. And because of remaining busy in service, we also receive assistance in remaining free from obstacles. So happiness, power, and the ability to be free from obstacles. And so the enthusiasm for service to use our time, our mind, our body, our wealth in a worthwhile way. According to the drama, we receive the lift of this speciality too. To automatically get engaged in service, to use mind, body, wealth in a worthwhile way, this speciality also we have received. So you know your own specialities, don't you? Shivratri is now coming, it's coming.
जानते हो ना, इस विशेषताओं से अपन को जितना आगे बढ़ाने चाहो उतना बढ़ा सकते हो.
And you can make yourself move forward as much as you want using these specialities.
whilst में लगा हुआ था ना, कैसे कैसे बाबा को जवाब देवे.
Listening to the Murli today, I really gave Baba a lot of love because it's like there were answers and methods that Baba was giving to achieve success. According to the drama, no soul can have the complaint that Baba, I came at the end. That's why I can't move forward and claim a number ahead. The double foreign children have the golden chance of their specialities. And the Bharatvasis have their own golden chance. However, today Baba is meeting the double foreign children. In the drama, because it's destined, it's fixed. Because the speciality is fixed, then no soul, even who comes at the end, can have this complaint. And because this drama is very accurate. So with these specialities, continue to move forward and fly. Continue to to fly forward with a fast speed. So did you understand, or is it clear? Or are there still some complaints? So you gave Baba the Dil Kush sweet. You had a determined thought. That means you fed Baba the Dil Kush sweet. And this sweet is eternal. May the mouth of the children, the mouths of the children and the mouth of the Father are always sweet anyway. So, but don't offer any other type of bhog to Baba. Only offer this bhog of the Dil Kush, happy heart. That external physical bhog we offer anyway, but the subtle bhog, let it be only of Dil Kush Toli, the happy heart Toli. Bap Dada always says, when you write letters too, write a letter with only 2 letters in it, 2 words. And those 2 words are what? Okay. Okay. And so paper will be saved, ink will be saved, and time will be saved. There'll be saving. Okay. Means the Father is being remembered, and the kingdom is also being remembered. When you write O, then it's a picture of an illustration of the Father. Okay. And K means kingdom. So you write okay, it means the Father and the inheritance, you're remembering both. So when you write a letter, but definitely write letters, but just write a couple of words. The letters will reach. And anyway, Baba knows the enthusiasm in your heart. He knows the loving things that are in your heart, and they reach Baba, the comforter of hearts. Everybody knows how to write these letters. Even those who don't speak the language or know the language can write this, because the language becomes one when it is this type of letter. Today is the last day of the first group. So all your problems finished? All finished?
बाकी टोली खाना और खिलाना है.
And so what else remains? To eat toli and to distribute toli. What else remains?
ऐसा बनाना है.
Now we have to make others the same as us, because we do have to do service.
सेवाधारी बनो.
And we must become servers without obstacle, who are free from obstacles.
बाप समान बनने के उमंग उत्साह में उड़ने वाले, सदा बाप समान
to those
बनने के उमंग उत्साह में से उड़ने वाले,
constantly fly with zeal and enthusiasm to become equal to the Father, to those who constantly check the self, change and become complete, to those who become elevated in all three, that is thoughts, words and deeds, to those who become elevated through constantly imbibing cleanliness, to such special souls who fly at a fast speed, Bap Dada's special love, remembrance and namaste. Now Baba meeting a small group of children from Australia. That is asking Dr. Nirmala if those children are still around. And she's saying she should, that Didi is saying that they're not. And so Dadi is saying, re-invite them, create a gathering. Charlie, when you go back, remember them. You're all godly children, aren't you? Do you study a lot? Just as you do that study, do you do this study? Do you like listening to the Murli? Do you understand it? What is the Murli? Do you remember the Father every day? Do you wake up? When you wake up, do you say good morning? Never miss this good morning.
Good morning bhi karna, good night bhi karna.
Say good morning and say good night as well. And when you eat, remember at that time too. Charlie, write all of this to all the children. This meeting that Baba had, because they've all grown up now. But remind them. It's not that when you get hungry you forget the children, forget Baba. Before eating you must remember Baba. If you remember, you'll get a good number in your study. And those who remember the Father always pass. They can never fail. And so you always pass, don't you? If you don't pass, then others will say, look, Shiv Baba's children fail too. Every day hear one point of knowledge from your mother. You're very fortunate that you have arrived on the soil of the one who is the bestower of fortune. You've received the fortune of meeting the Father. This is no small fortune. Now some personal meetings.
पर्सनल मुलाकात के समय इसमें एक पॉइंट लिखिए बस। बाप दादा के द्वारा वरदान के रूप में उच्चारे महावाक्य।
Elevated versions spoken by Bap Dada in personal meetings. They've compiled some of them.
बाप द्वारा मिले हुए सर्व खजानों को
First one,
सर्व आत्माओं के प्रति लगाने वाले भरपूर बन औरों को भरपूर बनाने वाले आत्मा हो।
Are you a soul
कितने खजाने भरपूर है
who is full and uses
जो भरपूर होता है
all the treasures that you received from the Father to make other souls full?
अविनाशी भंडारा लगा
How many treasures do you have? Those who constantly have treasures are always distributing. No one should return empty. This is what it means to have a constant treasure store. Listen to this now. Sometimes you donate in the form of a great donor. Sometimes you become a bestower And sometimes you become a goddess of wealth and give wealth. In this way, you become one who fulfills the Father's desires. The more treasures you distribute, the more they increase. This is what you call always being constantly overflowing. No one should return empty-handed. From everyone's mouth, these blessings should emerge. Wow, our fortune.
ऐसे महादानी वरदानी बच्चे सच्चे सेवादारी बनो.
Become such great donors and bestowers of blessings. This is what it means to be a true server. Second meeting, according to the drama, the blessing of service is one that always makes you move forward. One is you have certain qualifications and you get a service accordingly. The second is you receive a blessing and you get service because of that blessing. Even love becoms a means to serve. Even you might not know the language, but the language of love is the most elevated of all languages. This is why a loving soul always has success. Those who know the language of love will be successful wherever they are, in whatever they do. Let your service always be free from obstacles. This is what it means to have achieve success in service. So with the speciality of love, souls become full, satisfied. Your treasure store of love should always be full and continue to distribute it. That which you filled yourself with from the Father, distribute it. This love that we've received from the Father will continue to make you move forward. Third meeting. The blessing of love can also make you an instrument for service. If you have love for the Father, then you can make others come close to the Father too. Just as the Father's love made you belong to Him and you forgot everything else, in the same way become experienced and make others experience too.
सद्दाम बाप के स्नेह के पीछे कुर्बान जाने वाली आत्मा होना.
You are a soul who is always intoxicated and surrenders the self because of the Father's love.
जाने वाली आत्मा हूँ, इसी नशे में रहो.
Stay in that intoxication that yes, I'm a soul who's surrendered because of the Father's love.
यही लगन.
The Father and service, this deep love is the method to move forward. Doesn't matter what comes in front of you, how big something is. But the Father's love will give you cooperation and make you move through it, make you move forward. Because the one who has love receives the return, multi-million-fold return for his love. Love is such a power that with it nothing feels difficult. Because we become totally lost and absorbed in that love. This is what is known as the moths sacrificing themselves to the flame. Not the ones who just circle around the flame, the ones who sacrifice themselves,
प्रीत की रीत निभाने वाले,
the ones who fulfill the promise, the duty of
स्नेह और
love.
शक्ति दोनों को बैलेंस हैं, दोनों
So
के
with the
बैलेंस
balance
हैं,
of love
सदा
and
आगे
power,
बढ़ते और बढ़ाते चलो.
continue to move forward yourself and make others move
बैलेंस
forward.
ही
Balance
बाप की ब्लेसिंग दिलाता है
is what enables you to have the blessings of the
और
Father
दिलाता रहेगा.
and will continue to bring you those blessings.
बैलेंस ही बाप की ब्लेसिंग
Balance
दिलाता रहेगा,
enables you to
दिलाता है,
receive the
दिलाता
blessings of
रहेगा.
the Father.
बरों की छत्र छाया भी सदा आगे बढ़ाती रहेंगी.
The canopy of the protection of the
बाप की
seniors
छत्र छाया
will
तो
also
है,
constantly help
लेकिन
you to
बरों
move
की छत्र
forward.
छाया भी एक
Yes,
golden
you
offer
have
है.
the Father's canopy of protection, but
समझ रहे हो
the
ना?
canopy of the seniors is
बाप
also
की
like a
छत्र
golden
छाया.
offer.
बरों की
Golden offer,
छत्र
Baba,
छाया एक
is in
golden
English.
offer है. तो सदा आफरीन मनाते हुए
So
आगे बढ़ते चलो, तो भविष्य स्पष्ट होता जाएगा.
So constantly say thanks and continue to move forward,
चौथा,
and then the
हर
future
कदम
will
में
also
बाप का
become clear
साथ
to you.
अनुभव करने वाले हो ना.
Fourth meeting, you're the ones who experience the
बच्चों को
Father's
बाप
company
ने
at every step, aren't you?
विशेष सेवा के अर्थ निमित्त बनाया है. तो निमित्त बनाने के साथ साथ सेवा के हर कदम में बाप संयोगी भी बनता है.
As well as making the
निमित्त
children
बनाता है,
instruments for
संयोगी
special
बनता है.
service, Baba also becomes the one who is
भाग्य विधाता
cooperative.
ने हर एक को भाग्य की विशेषता
The
दी
bestower
हुई
of
है.
fortune has given everyone
उसी विशेषता को
the
कार्य में
speciality of
लगाते
fortune. And
सदा
so when we
आगे
apply
बढ़ते और
that
बढ़ाते चलो.
speciality, let us apply that fortune in
सेवा
action
तो
and move forward ourselves and make others move
श्रेष्ठ
forward.
ब्राह्मण आत्माओं के पीछे पीछे आने वाली है.
Service is such a thing that it will come running, chasing
सेवा
after
तो श्रेष्ठ ब्राह्मण के आत्माओं के
elevated
पीछे पीछे आने
Brahmins.
वाली है. सेवा के पीछे आप नहीं जाते हो.
We don't chase after service.
जहाँ जाते वहाँ सेवा पीछे आती है.
But wherever you go, service
जैसे जहाँ
follows
लाइट
you,
होती है वहाँ
chases after
परछाई
you.
जरूर आते हैं.
Just as where there is light, the
ऐसे आप
shadow
double light हो.
automatically
आपके पीछे
follows,
सेवा
and so
भी
you are double light.
परछाई के समान आएंगी.
And so service will chase after you
कन से हाथ तो करो ना.
like a shadow. At least
समझते
shake
हो
your
ना?
head to indicate
सेवा
that you
जहाँ लाइट
understand, that
होंगी,
you
वहाँ सेवा परछाई
relate
के
to
साथ
this.
पीछे आती रहेंगी.
If we are double light, then service will follow us like a
इसे
shadow.
सदा निश्चिंत बन
This is why
बाप की छत्र
always
छाया में
remain
चलते चलो.
carefree, remain under the Father's canopy, and
पांचवी
move
बात.
forward in that way.
पर्सनल मुलाकातों में है.
Fifth meeting.
सदा दिल में इस बाप समान बनने का उमंग रहता है ना.
You always have the enthusiasm to become
समान
Bab Saman in your
बनेंगे,
heart, don't you?
तब वही समीप रहेंगे.
Only when you become equal will you
समीप तो
remain
रहना है
close.
ना.
You do want to be close,
समीप
don't
रहने
you?
वाले के पास समान बनने का उमंग रहता ही है.
The ones who stay close always have the
और
enthusiasm
समान
to
बनना
become
मुश्किल
equal.
भी नहीं है.
And it doesn't feel difficult to
तो
be
जो
that
भी कर्म
either.
करो,
Whatever, the only
तो
thing
कर्म
is,
के
whatever
पहले
action you
ये
perform,
स्मृति में लाओ.
bring this into your awareness
ये
before
कर्म
performing
बाप
the
कैसे
action.
करता है?
That is
ये
this
स्मृति बाबा ऐसे कर्म
action
कैसे करता है?
something that
ये
Baba would do?
स्मृति स्वतः ही बाप के
This
कर्म
awareness
जैसा फॉलो कराएंगी.
will enable you to follow the Father.
ऐसे बैठकर सोचने की बात नहीं है.
This is not something that you need to sit
सीढ़ी
down and
उतरते
think
चढ़ते
about.
भी सोच सकते हो.
It's
बहुत सहज विधि
something
है.
that you can do even whilst going up and down the stairs. It's a very easy
बाप से
method.
मिलान करते चलो हम.
And so continue to
औरों से
meet the
भेंट नहीं करो.
continue to
बाप से
let
करते चलो.
meet
और यही याद रखो, मुझे
meet
बाप
the
समान
Father.
अवश्य
In
बनना
other
ही है.
words, let your actions be the
तो हर
same as the
कर्म में
Father's.
सहज जी सफलता का अनुभव करते रहेंगे.
And
अच्छा
then you will easily
वरदान.
experience success in every action. अच्छा.
संगत दोष से
Blessing.
दूर रहे, सदा बाप के समीपता का भाग्य करने वाले. संग दोष से दूर रहे, सदा बाप के समीपता का भाग्य प्राप्त करने वाले. पाशत अनर्भव.
May you remain distant from
यदि बाप के
bad
समीप रहना
company
पसंद है,
and thereby attain the fortune of
तो कोई भी
Baba's
संग दोष से
company,
दूर रहना.
of being close to the Father and passing with honor.
कई प्रकार के आकर्षण पेपर के रूप में आएंगे.
Many types of attraction will come to you in the form of a test, but we must not be attracted.
संग दोष कई प्रकार का होता है.
There are many different types of influence of company.
व्यर्थ संकल्पों,
Wasteful,
माया के आकर्षण के संकल्पों का संग.
the company of the thoughts of Maya,
माया के आकर्षण के संकल्प संग. संबंधों का संग,
the company of relatives,
वाणी का संग,
the company of
अनदोष का संग, कर्म
language,
का संग.
the company of impure
इन
thoughts,
सब दोष,
impure
सब संग
food,
दोषों से
and
अपन को बचाने वाले ही
the effective actions.
पाचस आनंद बनते हैं.
Only those who pay
Slogan.
attention to protecting
Aprista
themselves
bano,
from all these types of influence
तो
are the ones who
परिस्थितियों
pass with
में
honors.
बाप स्वयं आपके छत्र
Slogan.
छाया बन जाएंगे. परिस्थिता बनो,
Become an
जो भी
angel,
परिस्थिति आती है ना, बाप स्वयं
and then the
आपके
Father
छत्र
Himself
छाया बन जाएंगे.
will become the canopy
Om
of
Shanti.
protection in adverse situations.
अभी क्या करें, मुरली को कैसे रखूं? यहाँ
So what shall I
में चली
do?
गई.
What shall I do with this murli? It's gone into the heart, right? Where